I am ZUDU, your AI voice assistant. How are you doing?
Hi ZUDU, I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for reaching out to ZUDU. I'd love to learn a bit about you. What's your name?
My name is Aparna.
Nice to meet you, Aparna. What's the name of your company?
It's AV.
Got it? AV sounds interesting. What's the best email to reach you at? I'll make sure our team follows up with helpful info.
That would be aparna@av.com.
Thanks, Aparna. Lastly, how do you see ZUDU helping your business? Are you looking to automate customer support, handle inbound, outbound calls, improve sales outreach, or something else?
So I mainly contacted you guys because I wanted to know how you can help me with loan debt collection for banking purpose.
That sounds like a great fit. Our AI voice technology can assist with automating loan debt collection processes by making reminder calls, providing payment options, and handling customer inquiries efficiently. I'll pass this along to our team so we can get in touch with more details. Is there anything else you'd like to ask about ZUDU?
I think that's all. Thank you.
Great. We'll be in touch soon. Thanks for chatting with ZUDU, Aparna. Have a fantastic day.
Experience the future of human-like phone conversations? Call ZUDU.ai now at 080 3573 7577 and see the magic yourself.